Okay. All right, cool. So when you go to any of the PBIs, right, you click on the three dots at that point, right? You can see add text. Can you click out first so that you can get this on the recording? So click out of the screen. Yeah. So now put your mouse on any of the PBIs. Just mouse over. Yeah. Then the three ellipses. Yeah. Click on it. Then click on add text. So let's say, okay, let's not use this one because this one is for cyber security. Let's go to any of the test stories, right? So scroll down. Okay, getting started. Okay, let's go there. Okay, add test. Okay, and you can call it, okay, verify, getting started. Is displayed. Verify that getting started is displayed. Okay, you need to put that at the, yeah. Okay, press enter. Okay, so you can continue adding the test cases like that. So then if you click on it, yeah, open it, click on it, that will open the test case. So now this page should look familiar to you, right? So this is one I actually taught you how to do from here, right? Does this one make sense? This is another way to create your test case.
Yes, Deji, correct. But some of us, I believe, I don't know if it's only me, cannot see add text. I
You
guess
need to use the tester
when I
account.
open, the account is private or something.
You need to open the tester account. You need to log in with the tester account. If you cannot see that big T on the left, that means you are not, yeah. Can you put your mouse on that big T on the left, on the right rather, on the top right?
This
Top right, top right, top right corner, up, up, up.
okay, this one.
That one, yeah. So if you cannot see that at the top right, that means you've logged in into a different account.
Deji, that's what I have.
Can you refresh?
Okay. Thank you.
Can you refresh? Do you want to show your screen? Let's see.
Should I stop sharing?
Yes, please. Oh, is it okay, Dami?
It's okay now. It's because I did not refresh. Apologies.
Okay, cool. Okay. All right, brilliant. So now, okay, can I get a confirmation that you know what to do from here? Because this is now you adding the test case, right? Okay, let's try to add one test. I will leave you guys for 2 minutes or 3 minutes to add the test cases here. Can you do that quickly? Mommy. Collaboratively, okay? Mommy. Give my book. Okay, can you do that quickly? I will keep my mouth shut. I will wait for you guys to, yeah, you know what to do, right?
Yeah.
Sorry?
Yes.
It's the test case for the get started.
Yes. Why don't you open another tab and show the user story, the acceptance criteria?
Okay, how do I get that?
Click on, not here. Okay, open the tab.
I actually have opened it, but For the fact that I'm sharing my screen, the details of the Zoom as okay. Yes, this is the user story.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, this is the user story for the get started page. And from here, we are going to write our test cases. The user story said, as a user of mentorskill.com, I want to be able to click on the Get Started tab so that I can sign up or log into the website. Now, acceptance criteria is saying that as a new user, given that I'm a new user of the MentorSkill website, when I click on the Get Started tab and I'm redirected to the welcome page, and I click the sign up button on the welcome page, and I'm redirected to the sign up page, then I should be able to sign up. Now, for returning user, given I am registered, I'm a registered user of the MentorSkill website.
Can you focus on the first one only? Okay, because of the time that you have,
Okay,
you can do the rest later.
Okay, thank you. Now, the first step is given that I'm a user of the MentorSkill website, it means you want to log into the website. That is the first step. We want to write our test cases now. Please, as I'm saying it, because if I leave this tab and go to the other tab, it might be difficult of coming back because of the sharing Zoom details that will cover the screen on the top. Let me see if I can drag down my Windows 11. Yeah. So that not to waste our time, let's continue. I will write it here and go to the other tab too.
So sorry, is that right, guys?
You ought to write given I navigate to MentorSkill websites.
Exactly, because given I'm a user does not. Okay, how do you test that? Because you have to be specific on the step that you are taking, right? So as a user, you have to log in. That's what it means, right? So you have to put the steps to log in, right?
Yes.
Did you hear what I said?
Why don't you change it to
I
giving?
want to put the step to log in step 2.
No. That's not what he meant. He meant that you are meant to change it to giving I navigate to MentorSkid website.
I can't hear you.
He said this is not, you're meant to change it to giving I navigate to MentorSkid website. So can you hear me now?
Okay, given that I log into welcome.
Giving I navigate, not login. Giving I navigate to MentorSkid website.
Okay, is that right?
For your expected results. So the website should open successfully.
MentorSkid website should open successfully.
Yeah.
Step 2.
Okay, let's go back to the user story.
I can't
When I
go back.
click on the Get Started tab, it should be when I click on the Get Started tab.
It's actually okay.
Yeah, it's click when I click on the Get Started tab.
Okay.
The expected result should be
Why don't you take a look at the user story? Since let me think.
okay.
When I click on the Get Started tab, and I'll get it to complete.
I should the home page should display.
No, the tab
No, when you
should
click on
be
the
Sorry.
Get Started
tab should
tab,
be clickable.
Okay. Get Started tab should be clickable.
sorry, it's not. I'm not sure it's a tab. I think it's a link. Since we're going to be directed to another page. Yeah.
It has to be clickable. It's click it and it doesn't respond.
The Get Started tab cannot open. You have to change
Should be
it
clickable.
from
It's
open.
clickable now. He said after the Get Started tab. This is what the user story says. This is what he said. I want to be able to click on the Get Started tab so that I can sign up or log into the website.
Okay,
Check
when
your
you click
expected
on it,
outcome again. You wrote it open.
Yeah?
Check your expected
you
outcome
actually wrote
again. What you
open.
wrote.
And
What if when I click on the Get Started tab, then I should be redirected to the welcome page? Does that make sense?
I think you should be testing each. You should be testing it step by step. If you are clicking on this tab, then you should expect a response.
I think since the Get Started tab should be the one to take us to welcome page, I think it makes sense.
Yeah, it's
Because-
nice, Andy.
Yeah.
What I'm thinking is that there's you already put 2 steps inside this expected results, because it's
Sorry,
being
please.
clickable.
If you are speaking, speak loud now. I'm
I'm
not
sorry,
hearing
my
you.
network. Can you hear me now? What I said was that this Get Started tab that you click, you are meant to first confirm if it is clickable or not. Since when the developer works on it, it's likely that it may not be clickable again. So
We are
I
not
think
doing a manual testing. We are writing test cases, and the
I
test case is
know
saying
it's
the
step by
acceptance
step.
criteria said it should be clickable.
Okay, when it's clickable, you need to your expected result should be that you Get Started tab should be clickable, not that it should just redirect you to your another website.
That is what we are using now. If it's clickable, it should redirect. It should direct you to a particular place.
What
now.
about the case when it is not clickable? Remember, you are marking the test cases. Either it
Yeah.
pass or fail. Remember.
I understand what you're saying, but then what will now be the action for the step 3 for the web page to be opened? If not
Don't
get
forget.
not to click on Get Started tab. So I think we're on point. When I click on the Get Started tab, then the web page should open. I think it makes sense that way, because it's the Get Started tab that we clicked on that should take us to the web page. So if we are now merging those 2 lines to be one, what will be the action for the web page to be opened?
Are we ready to go? Step 3. Yeah, the home page, the welcome page is open.
Yeah.
Now, step 3.
I think, and I click the sign up button on the web.
Sorry. Only a few people are talking, and something is wrong, and I don't know whether everyone is looking at it. So, I'll call some people. Essay, Lanre, Izu, are you guys there? Any of you? What is the problem with line 2? Lanre,
The expected results of the line 2, the Get Started tab. Please, can you I'm not seeing it well. Please, can you scroll to the side? The Get Started tab, then the welcome page will be open. It's not supposed to be written like that, if I'm correct.
Yeah. The Get Started tab.
When I click on the Get Started tab, I think the expected result will be the Get Started, the page off. I should be directed to a welcome page. The welcome page will be open.
Yes. The welcome page should open.
Thank you, Essay. So, also what Abimbola was saying was also right. This one is right, anyway, but you've combined 2 steps into one, which is okay as long as it's understandable. People can follow it, right? I think I mentioned this anyway. Some people will write 10 steps, while other people will just do it within 5 steps. You get now. It depends on how low level your test manager wants you to write it. Do you get it? So like what Abimbola is saying is like, is following every line. So, okay, now step 2 will be when I click on the get started tab, then I'm able to click on it, right? Because it's possible it's not clickable. Then step 3 will now be, then, so, okay, I think your question is now, what should be on step 3, right?
Yes.
Step 3 would not be then the welcome page is opened, right? And the expected page, right, will be like, yeah, you want to confirm they are open, the welcome page is open successfully. Do you get it now? So that's one thing I can say, but you guys can do that later because this is not what I wanted to do today. So now you got 2 steps. Let's assume this is 2 steps. Remove number 3, okay? Save and close, okay? Now we've done that. So you can go and expand it as you want to be expanded. That's fine. So now you got those test cases, there right now, right? So using this particular account as well, you can scroll down on the left, okay? On the left, scroll on the left, leftmost. That's not, I said left, not right. Yeah, scroll down from here, go to test plan. So you won't see the test plan on your normal account, okay? Because test plan is normally created by test managers from scratch. You get it now. So that's why you have this account, okay? So test plan, you click on test plan, okay? And now you can create a test plan, okay? New test plan. Okay, so test plan is normally created maybe per sprint, okay? For this sprint, you can say sprint 1 test plan, then sprint 2 test plan. So you don't create it every time, okay? You don't create it like, okay, I'm creating story. So you create is like a bucket of different test cases that you want to do in a sprint or at the end of the sprint or regression. Do you get it now? So now what you want to do is, okay, what's the test? The area path, okay? And yeah, area path is your own area path. Then you now select the iteration, okay? Which is the sprint 1.
Will I remove it? Sprint 1.
No. Now you should know that is your iteration. What you just remove your iteration. Under that is when your backlog and when your sprint backlog is, okay? So you need to select sprint 1. And then you create on create. Okay, so now from what I can see now, you don't have any test for sprint 1. That's what you're showing. So can you do another one for sprint 2? Let's see if you have anyone for sprint 2. So you click on back, click on that arrow back. Yeah. So someone already created another one. Hold on, who did that?
Please, I did, but I deleted it immediately.
Sorry?
I did, but I deleted it immediately.
Who's talking?
Ugochi.
Or you shouldn't be using that account. Why are you?
Yeah, I wiped it immediately. Apologies.
No, why did you log in with that account?
It's still showing you.
Yeah, how did you get the account? Ugochi.
She assigned in.
Is the account who signed in this evening? So when
No, it's not. It's not. That one is admin account.
No, myself is tester 2. The down one, that's not the top one.
No. The one that you did now is the one at the top, not the one at the bottom. The bottom one is the one that Friday did now.
Yes.
Yeah.
But when I did, my name was showing tester 2. It was just me replying bug that was detected on get started 7618 on our board. Then instantly I collected and I deleted it immediately. It didn't even stay up to a minute. I wiped it.
So someone logged in with a different account now. And it's not nice when people do things that they don't own up. And it's not really nice. We are all adults anyway.
I worked on get started just now. Get started. Where they said there's an error in the spelling. So I wrote
I'm not talking about I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about someone created a test plan just a moment now.
Deji, sorry. On Optimize too, as you are telling Friday to do what you told him to do, I did create follow to do my own too. But on opening it now, I saw another one saying Optimize team story sprint too. So I guess it's not somebody created it. I don't know, because that's the way it appear here is the way it appear on my own too.
That's weird anyway. Okay. All right. So okay. All right. Click on that other one. Yeah.
This one?
Yes, please.
Or the first one?
The second one. Okay. All right. Can you click on execute, please?
Execute.
So you can see those two test cases, right, that you've written, right? So now what you need to do now, so once okay, from beginning now, you create your test cases as I've created it, okay, put it in Sprint 2, right? Then, so if the test plan is not created for you, okay, or you've not created one, so you need to create one test plan for that sprint, okay? So then after you created your test plan, and automatically your test cases will be attached to it, right? Your test case will be attached to it. Now, you can now run your test cases, okay? What you need to do is select the one that you want to run, click on them on the left, click on the next one as well. So let's say it's only that one, okay? So let's say it's the two, let's run both of them, click on the second one as well. So click on,
It's selecting only one to
that works, okay? Then run for web application. So it's going to split your screen into two, right? So you have the application on one side, right? And then you have your test on the other side. So now what it's telling you, you say, now navigate to MentorSkid website. What you need to do now, on your right-hand side, you go and open MentorSkid on the screen. So open a new tab on this screen, okay? And put it aside so that you can see the two screens. Just move it aside.
I will do that. I will do that. I want to open it first. I think this is URL. Okay. Yes, this is the one that I open.
That's not for your website. That's not for your team.
Yes. So let me copy the URL from here. This thing I just start on my end. Yeah, this is for my team.
Okay. Can you minimize the one at the back, please?
Okay.
Okay. Now you have your test case on the left and your application is on the right. So now what your test case is saying, you just need to perform it on the right. The first one is to navigate to MentorSkate website, okay? Expected result, MentorSkate website should be opened. Now it is opened. What you need to do, you need to click on that tick for yes, that one is fine, right? So that means that test has passed, okay? So the next one, when you click on get started, right? So now let's assume this is okay, get started. You can't see get started. Can you see get started?
No. Okay, yeah.
Okay, all right. Let's say, okay, this is get started, okay?
That is not get started, that's get started now.
Okay, exactly. So,
Get
yeah,
started is at the top because
Check
you
at the
remember
top,
go
you
to
will
the
see
top
it at the top.
and open that three
Click on these three
orange,
LECs. Yeah.
three orange, yes.
Uh-huh. And there's even an error in it. It's saying get started.
okay. So now you said get started. So yeah, so that's an error. Thank you. Good catch. Okay. What you need to do, you click on the star. Yeah, exactly. So yeah, and now you put your comments there, right? And you say, oh, okay. It shows get started instead of get started. Okay. So what did you say it's not clickable?
Yes, it's not clickable. I run that test also, it's not clickable.
Okay, all right, that's fine. So, and you could, I think that one should be another test, another, yeah, but that for now is fine. Click enter, that's okay. Enter. So now what you need to do, see at the top, because there's a bug, or for this particular, you click on create bug, okay? So if there's no bug, you don't need to do that anyway. So you create bug, and you can see now. So compared to the last time I showed you how to create bug, right? You have to put your list on the repro, yeah, on how to create. You can see this one. It actually brought your test case inside it. Do you get it now?
Yes.
So which is already told you, step 1 passed, step 2 failed. If you scroll down, it's going to even put your comment there as well. Do you get? Yeah, and that's your comment. Yeah. So then you can amend based on what you want to do, okay? Put everything in, put comment there, or put acceptance criteria as well. Do you get it now? What? Yeah. So, and at the bottom, okay?
And also the title of the bug.
Yeah, you can put the title, yeah. So, yeah.
What will I call it now?
Get started, wrongly spelt.
Okay.
Other people should talk now. At least we have 16. We are aside
Someone
the
already said something
Get
Friday.
started, misspelling.
Typographical
Wrongly
error
spelt.
in get started or spelling error in get started is also okay.
I think
As
it's okay.
wrongly spelled as get started. Yeah. Okay.
Please, Mr. Deji, sorry, Deji, whose fault is this? Is it the developer or those that wrote the story?
No, the story is correct, right?
Okay, so
Yes.
it's the developer's problem. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's what developer needs to fix. So what you now need to do is, save and close.
Assign.
Yeah, you could assign. You don't even need to assign it because in some cases you might be working with more developers, a lot of developers anyway. But I know some people they will assign it to developers. You don't need to assign it to tester 2. So because tester 2 is your account. Okay, you
Assigned
need
to
to do
Oluwatosi Banjo.
So, yeah.
You work on this.
It's
Yeah.
not bringing out, it's only bringing us.
You need to click on
Don't worry,
search.
I will work on it
You
later
need to
because
click on
I run the
search.
story.
Okay.
Just type in the name to come out.
Oluwatosin
No,
capital.
come.
Click on search. Click on the search.
You can put at Oluwatosi. It will come out.
Just click on search. His name is going to come out.
Capital letter.
Oluwa is yes, capital, not the small letter Oluwa.
Oluwatosin.
That's him.
Yeah.
His name is popular very well.
Save
Yeah,
and close.
Deji
Yeah.
is saying I should move down.
So yeah, you can put acceptance criteria, right? So acceptance criteria could be the giving and navigate to prep major or sorry mentor stage. Yeah, when I search for get started, it should be spelled correctly as get started. I will leave you to put those ones anyway. So it's basically what you want to put in there is like, how do you establish if this is fixed? Do you get it now? It's basically going to the site, search for getting started, and ensure it is getting started. Do you get it now? It is not getting started. Do you get? So that's what you want to put on the acceptance criteria. Is that clear?
No, I don't understand. Because my thinking
You
was
understood?
the acceptance criteria will be the one that was written by the BA.
No, not on this one now. Not on this one. So this is now your bug acceptance criteria. How do you want to confirm this bug is fixed? Let me ask you, if you want to know that this bug is fixed, how would you know?
Okay.
Okay. Can I answer? I think it's maybe after you might have tagged the sorry for my background noise, sorry. After you must have tagged the developer, then maybe the next day or after some hours, you can go back to URL to double check if it has been.
Okay. That's
working.
not the question. If the developer tells you that, the story is fixed, how would you know?
You
Yeah, the
navigate.
URL.
You navigate to MentorSkid website.
You use the URL to navigate to the website, right?
Okay. Then
you check. You go back to those 3 ellipses to check if it has been corrected or not.
You check the get started button. You check that get started is spelled as get started.
no, okay. So giving a navigate to MentorSkid website, when I search for get started, it should be then it is spelled as get started, not as get started. That's what you want.
Yes.
Okay. All right. So you're going to do that one later. I'm just giving you what you need to do. Okay. Save and close because I need to round up quickly. Okay. So you can complete that one later. So then after that, when it's be fixed, then you can rerun the code again and save and close this one. You need to save, otherwise this will not. Yeah. So hold on. Okay. All right. Okay. Another thing that you could do as well, go back again. Let's do that quickly again. Go to the test case again. You can run the test case as many times as possible. You can see it's just say failed now. You can go there and yeah. Okay, let's pass the first one, fail the second one. Okay, so now you put the comment again, right? Just put anything anyway, you know what to put. One thing I want to show you now, put the website on one side, right, quickly. I want to show you how to do the screenshot, okay? Okay, so put the website out. Okay, now, no. Okay, yeah, okay, that's fine. So now what you need to do, right, click on, you see where the camera is on the left of the screen?
On the left. Okay.
Yeah, so no, that one, yeah. So you can capture the screenshot, click on that. Click. Okay. And it's saying install, click on install, let's see. Get extension, yeah. Allow. I'll add extension, yeah. Okay. All right, go back to the test again.
Oh,
Just close this one. Close that. Close the page.
Sorry, I have to do something now.
Okay. All right, relaunch.
It's not coming up.
Okay, that's fine. You can do that again anyway, yeah. Okay. Okay. So go to the page, okay? The application. Okay. All right, click on the screen, on the image again, on the camera. Okay, to capture, make sure.
It's not capturing.
No, hold on. Click on it again. To capture the screen or log, make sure that extension is connected to.
Extension is connected to Azure DevOps.
Yeah, I think we should be connected now. Okay, can you click on the second one, please?
Second one?
Yeah, the screenshot image. Yeah, that one as well. Okay, yeah, click on that. Okay, I will look into that. I don't know why. Normally you would kind of get your screenshots, but we can look at that one later. So click on that
Should I
camera.
use Snippet tool?
Yeah, you can use Snippet tool as well anyway. So yeah. But no, you won't do Snippet tool on this one. You do Snippet tool on only the application, not on your test. Do you get?
Okay. I hope it's okay like this.
Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. I've done that.
Okay, so click on that, yeah. So add information. So then add the attachment, yeah. And yeah.
It has been added.
Okay, all right. So and yeah, so what you need to do, let's try to create bug again and see. Okay, And if you scroll down, you're going to see, go to the attachment. You will see that it's already attached, another attachment for you. So, no, on the, see where you have the details down? Yeah, that side, next. So I think the issue, yeah, there should be an attachment on that. So,
It's not there.
okay. Save it, let's see. Just say we put something there anyway. So this is just for yeah, just so it gets started error. That's fine. Yeah. Save and close. You can go and check it later. So the next thing you need to do, it's not only one test there. So there's another test as well. So you click on next and go to the next test.
Next.
At the top right of the test. Top right, yeah.
Okay.
Next. So that takes you to the next one, right? So you do the same thing, right? So this is another one, right? So let's say this one passed. Let's click, click pass on those two. So then you save and close, or you can save. You got save at the far right or the far left and save and close. Yeah. So you can be saving as you go along. Then when you finish, you just save and close for everything. Okay. So save and close. And then you can go to the story now and go and check the bug created for the story.
Okay.
Okay. Refresh the screen. Okay. And go and check the link. Yeah, you can see those are the two tests. Yeah. Click on the second one. Let's check. Okay, that is it anyway.
Oh, that's great.
Okay. All right. Any question before we leave? Any question before we leave?
Yes, I have a question. Can you hear me?
Yes, I hear you.
Yes, I imagine while like running the test execution, if the first step is a pass, second step is a pass, then imagine we have like 5 steps, and then the third step is a fail. After closing the bug, do we go to continue the fourth and the fifth step, or we just stop it there?
Yeah, that's what we just done right now. The first one failed, the second one did not fail. After you finish the one that failed and you create bug, you still continue your test.
Okay.
Yes, you can be saving it as you go along so that you don't lose any of the things that you've done, right? So, and at the end, you just say save and close. But you continue where you stopped anyway.
Okay.
Also, remember that the story is different. So, for example, if a particular story pass, a particular story might fail. You might have the same criteria that you have divided the test plan in test cases into different. For example, instead of you writing 17 test cases, you have divided it into 4. Part 1 might pass, second one might fail. So by the time you want to report it, reporting it, the developer will just go to that one exactly, not everything altogether.
All right. So next time, I think based on what Dami said, you don't actually need me on this in this session again, right? It will be taking you going forward.
Yes, we don't need the G again. The G has created.
No.
All right. Okay. I think that
message is here.
And that's us for now anyway. So yeah. So just make sure that you practice this. Even if you do not find a bug, just create something with bugs. Do you get it now? Don't be like one of your mentors now. She's now a mentor on this platform. So she went through the program as well. When she reached advanced, she found a bug, and I said, go and raise it. She said, I didn't know how to raise. And I was like, really? And you went to 3 months of internship. So now I deliberately tell the developers to ensure that they put bugs, right? So that you can be able to create them. Do you get now? So deliberately some of them put bugs, right? Because so that you can get the flavor and the learning. Do you get it now? So for instance, I think this one that you found, it will be deliberate. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right, cool. Thank you, everyone.
Ah,
Anyway,
Thank you, Judge. Thank you so much.
It's almost 1 o'clock here.
As in,
you can stop recording now. Okay.